ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम् ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a warm welcome. A very beautiful, rare, unique wish Vaivasvata Manu had in his heart, and of course Shatarupa also must have had a similar wish, but they were not expressing, because how to express? So he says, Chahau tumahi samana sutta Prabhu sama kavan duravu. Oh God, in case you want to give me a boon, O Kripanidhi, gracious Lord, I would like to have a son like you. And I have nothing to hide from you. I have no other agenda. My only desire is to have a son like you. Now see what Bhagavan says. देखी प्रीति सुनि बचन अमोले, एवमस्तु करुणानिधि बोले। आपु सरिस खोजो कह जाई, नृपतब तनय होब मैं आई। सतरूप ही बिलोकी कर जोरे, देवी मागु बरु जोरु चितोरे। जो बरुनाथ चतुर नृप मागा, सोई कृपाल मोहि अति प्रिय लागा। प्रभु परंतु सुठी होती ढिठाई, जदपि भगत हित तुमहि सोहाई। तुम ब्रह्मादि जनक जग स्वामी, ब्रह्म सकल उर अंतर जामी। अस समुझत मन संशय होई, कहाँ जो प्रभु प्रवान पुनि सोई। जे निज भगत नाथ तब आही, जो सुख पावही जो गति लही। सोई सुख सोई गति सोई भगति, सोई निज चरण सनेहु। सोई विवेक सोई रहनी प्रभु, हम ही कृपा करि देहु। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। देखी प्रीति सुनि वचन अमोले। This is why, every Santa Purusha keep repeating. Bhagavan doesn't do what you do in the world, but with what attitude you do in this world. All he wants is only our love. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati. That bhaktya prayachati is the focus there. But what do? Bhaktya prayachati we drop. Patram pushpam phalam toyam. Oh, this much is sufficient. Why should I spend money on doing anything to Bhagavan? Just one leaf I will put, one flower I will put, or maybe 2-3 flowers, whatever is available in the garden, I will give it for Bhagavan. Bhagavan has said he is convinced with that only, and he will give me all boons. No. Patram pushpam phalam toyam. This also because if in case you want to give, but what I actually see, I only see is bhaktya prayachati. That devotion uncontaminated, selfless, pure, unsullied, complete, total, entire heart. Entire heart meaning what? We have got plenty in it now. We have no place for him. Isn't it? Clear the entire heart. Throw away everything and have Bhagavan only. This is bhakti. Our bhakti is percentage bhakti. We have 20% here, 10% there, 3% here, 5% there. And there is so much of aversion, anger and jealousy, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. All of them are filled along with raga, dvesha. They have all already occupied. then where will be space for bhakti? Bhagavan says, you give up all that. Drop. Yesterday we were talking about dropping. Drop. And have me alone. Bhaktya prayachati. And Manu and Shatarupa, they never had any of the vices. They only had Bhagavan in their heart. And therefore, Pratyaksha Devata came. Pratyaksha Bhagavan came in front of them. Therefore, this shows that it is possible to have the darshan of Bhagavan. These are all wonderful endorsements by Bhagavan when he says, Name Bhakta Pranashyati. Dekhi Preeti Suni Bachana Amole. Invaluable Vachana, words. And it is dipped in what? Preeti. With love. Pure devotion, pure conviction. Evamastu karunanidhi bole, tatastu. Without even second thinking, without wondering, if I give this boon, what all will happen? He never thought, tathastu. Why? That was the quality of bhakti they had. That was the dedication they had. That was the only thought they had, in fact. Therefore, without a second thought, evamastu karunanidhi bole, tathastu, let it so be it, said the Lord who is so compassionate. Aapu sarisa khojo kah jai. He said, you have asked the boon, and I also, in the joy of looking at your devotion, said, Tathastu. Now, I have a problem. Who is telling? Bhagavan is saying. I have a problem. What is that? Aapu sarisa khojo kahan joi. Where will I go and find somebody like me? Is it possible to have somebody like Bhagavan? Huh? Ekameva advitiyam Brahma Bhagavan. When it is said Ekameva advitiyam, there cannot be two. And then look at that loving words. He says, Nripa tava tanaya hoba me ai. Hey king, hey Manu, it is not possible to see somebody who is like me, therefore I myself will come. How beautiful, how glorious is this Bhagavan. I shall be born as your son. Nobody else, not like me, no carbon copy, no cloning. I myself will come. Tanaya hoba me ai. I will become your son. Satarupa hi biloki karajori. Shatarupa was so, these are all things, emotions that cannot be expressed. She was all the time with folded hands, and she was already started enjoying that thought that Bhagavan is going to come in her jatara, in her womb and take birth. She is already in that joy. Satarupa hi biloki kara jori. Bhagavan turned his eyes towards Shatarupa, who was standing with folded hands. Devi magu baru joru chitori. Hey Devi, Shatarupa, ask. Now you ask one boon. Magu baru joruchi. Joruchi, whatever you want, you ask. Now see, it is not one boon for both of them, because both of them individually had done the tapas. The boon what Manu asked, he has given. Now he turns to a Shatarupa and says, ask. And look at that lady, my God. The Nari Dharma, Nari Shakti, Nari, in Hindi they say Soch, thinking. Now what we see in Nari Soch is something, honestly, sorry for saying this, despicable. She never wanted to be away from her husband's thinking, her consort's thinking. Look what she says. जो बरुनाथ चतुर नृपमागा. Chatura nripa. A very, 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 what do you call it as? Clever king. Very intelligent king. That vara which my intelligent king, Chatura nripa maga, whatever he asked, Soi kripalu mohi ati priya laga. That itself is enough for me. What can anybody ask more than that? Bhagavan himself is going to come as their son. And what else can anyone ask? Bhagavan is ready actually. Bhagavan is actually ready to come to our house also. But, oh God, our list of demands, our list of desires, and then finally, last, in case Bhagavan, you have time after giving all this to me, you also come. This is our attitude. That is why we are where we are. That is why suffering, disappointment, frustration supplied free. Look at her. Jo barunatha chatura nrupamaga soi kripalu mohi ati priya laga. That itself, O Bhagavan, is, I feel, that is the best I can also ask. That itself is very, very dear to me as well. Prabhu parantu suthi hoti dhitai. Jadapi bhagata hita tumahi sohai. He said, there can be something more, but can't tell, can't express. Very many times, even in our Laukika Jivana, there are so many things we want, but we can't express. Why? There are hesitations within us, and there are circumstances without, in the outside world. Very many times we don't have that courage or things like that. Prabhu parantu suti hoti dutai. There could be great, presumption. My Lord, Jadapi bhagata hita tumahi sohoi. In spite of it, O well-wisher of the Lord, Kripanidhi, you have understood our heart. Tuma Brahmadi Janaka Jagaswami. You are the one who is primordial even above Brahmadi. You are the one who create Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Now the reference here is to Brahman, the Supreme Lord. You are the progenitor. Therefore, you are the creator. You are the one who have blessed them. Brahma Sakala Ura Antarajami. And you are the indweller. Antaryami, meaning what? You are that indwelling, enlivening principle within not only me or her, everybody, including Brahmadi, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Brahma Sakala Ura. Antarjami, you are the indweller. Asasamujata mana samsaya hoi. Realizing this, my mind was filled with a little bit of doubt. Kahan jo Prabhu pravana puni soi? What if you say, no, like me and all not possible, ask some other doubt. In very many cases, Bhagavan has done that. When somebody asks, I want immortality, not easily you can get immortality, please. So Bhagavan has said, no. You ask for something else. We will see. In the Ramayana itself, we will see. When great tapasvis asked for immortality, he said, no, I can't give you immortality. Jnana devata kaivalyam. You have not yet got that jnana. Therefore, you ask for something other than that. Then only, even in Bhagavatam we find Hiranyakashipu. I should not be killed in daytime or night time. I should not be killed by an animal or a human. I should not be killed. So many conditions. Finally, Narasimha Avatara came. In the Sandhya Kala, he was killed. I will not go deep into that katha now. Right? Even Ravana asked for a boon, but then immortality he could not get without jnana. But then he had a choice how to die. Then he asked Naravanara. And therefore Rama and Vanara, everybody had to take birth now. See, like that, it is not that easy. So what if you reject? I was feeling very worried. Kahan jo prabhu pravan punik soi. Je nij bhagat nath tava ahi. Hey Nath, nija bhagata, to your deep devotees, people who are absolutely committed to you, surrendered unto your feet, jo sukha pavahi jo gati lahi. Whatever they ask, you will give. That is the greatness of you, Bhagavan. Because your devotee is sincere, you will bless them. सोई सुख सोई गति सोई भगति सोई निज चरण सनेहु सोई विवेक सोई रहनी प्रभु हम ही कृपा करि देहु. हे भगवान, प्लीज हम ही कृपा करि देहु. Please give me this boon. How? That सोई सुख, that bliss, that happiness, that joy, which is in spite of, not because of. Soi gati, that destiny, meaning what? That ultimate goal of self-realization. Soi bhagati, until then, same bhakti I should continue. Now the bhakti should not change. Why? Bhagavan has come as my son. Now there is no problem. No. My bhakti should continue. Soi nija charana sanehu. I should continue to have this surrendering attitude, this love, this devotion, commitment, conviction at your feet, sada, all the time. Soi viveka, that ability to discriminate, my intelligence. Soi rahani prabhu. All this, may it be with me. Merciful Lord, hama hi kripa kari dehu. Please bless us with this. Now see. Suni mrigu gudha ruchira bara rachana कृपा सिंधु बोले मृदु बचना जो कछु रुचि तुम्हारी मन माही मैं सो दीन सब संशय नाही मातु विवेक अलौकिक तोरे कबहु न मिटहि अनुग्रह मोरे बंदी चरण मनु काहेउ बहोरी अवर एक बिनती प्रभु मोरी सुत विषयिक तव पदरति होवु मोहि बड़ मूढ़ कहें कि न कोवु मणि बिनु फनि जिमि जल बिनु मीना मम जीवन तिमि तुमहि अधीना असबरु मागि चरण गहि रहेऊ एवमस्तु करुणानिधि कहेऊ अब तुम मम अनुशासन मानी बसहु जाई सुरपति रजधानी तह करि भोग विशाल तात गए कछु काल पुनी होई हूँ अवध भुआल तब मैं होब तुम्हारी सुत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सुनि मृदु गूढ़ रुचिर बर रचना। Bhagavan heard the speech of Shatarupa. Mridu, very soft. Gudha, very deep in its content. Ruchira, very charming. Vararachana, and she beautifully articulated her desire also. Listening to it, Kripa Sindhu bole mridu vachana. Bhagavan also replied in the same fashion of mridu vachana. जो कछु रुचि तुम्हारे मन माही, मैं सो दीन सब संशय नाही. Hey Shatarupa, don't ever have doubt. Samshaya nahi. Don't have any doubt. Whatever, jo kachu ruchi tumhare mana mahi, whatever has come to your mind, asking for the boon, whatever you have asked, main so deen hai, he says, I have already given. Consider that it is already yours. I have already granted that boon. Therefore, never have doubt. Matu bibeka laukika tore, kabahun mitahi anugraha more. Hey Matu, Bhagavan is also saying, O mother, Shatarupa, bibeka laukika tore, your desire is so uncommon, so rare. Why? Because everybody has got so many things to ask. But you never asked anything. Whatever he asked, you applied that only. And you also praise him. Clever king. And then you also understood what more can be better than having Bhagavan in your Jatara, in your womb. Kabahuna mitahi, it will never fail. It will never go as a failure. You will get it, don't worry. So be happy. Bandi charan manu kahevu bahori. Again Manu fell at the feet of Bhagavan, held his feet, and then Avara eka binati prabhu mori. He said, Prabhu, I have one more small desire. What is that? Suta bisha. Now look at this very carefully. Suta bisha ikatava padarati hovu. I have my love towards your pada, your feet, and you are going to come as my son. When you come as my son, this relationship I have between Bhakta and Bhagavan should not come in between that relation which I have with me and my son. It may be you only. But he says, Mohi bada moodha kahain ki na kovu. Because if I have the same relation what I have between you and me now, if I have it when you become my son, anyone will only call me fool. Mani binu fani jimi jala binu mina. You know, the snake, well-grown snake, it has a mani at the top of the head. And once that is grown, the snake cannot live without that mani. Or, he gives another example, jala binu mina. Even just as a fish cannot live without water, out of water, just as that, I can't live without you. Mama jivanati mi tumahi adina. My complete life is at your feet. I am completely dependent upon you. You know, this is called Nirbhara Bhakti. in the Bhakti Shastra is called totally dependent on Bhagavan. We will see another similar thought in Sundarakanda. I am totally dependent on the God, and Bhagavan has to give me bhakti, and he only should maintain also. Why? Because of my mind. My mind will go here and there. Bhagavan, you should give me bhakti, and you should only maintain. Yoga kshema of the bhakti, you only should take care. That is called nirbhara bhakti, total surrender. And then he says, Muni binu finijimi jala binu mina mama jivanatmi. My life, tumi tumahi adhina. It cannot live without, it cannot survive without you. Asabaru magi charana gahirahevu. Saying that, Manu did not even leave the feet of Bhagavan. So Bhagavan said, Evamastu, that only will happen, don't worry, Karuna nidhi kahevu. Bhagavan said, Evamastu, don't worry, accepted, so be it. Abatu mama manusasana mani. Now you have understood my command. I have told you. Now, basahu jai surapati sarajadhani. Once you live here as long as you drop the body. Once the body is dropped, you come to the capital of Indra, Indraloka. You come there, and at appropriate time, now what he says, Taha kari bhoga bisala tata gaye kachukala puni. Taha kari bhoga bisala. Enjoy your life living there in that Indraloka for some time. Tata gaye kachukala puni. For some time you live there. Hoi hahu avada buala. Then later you will take birth as the king. You will in the place called Avadha Bhuala. You will become the king of that Avadha Puri, which is Ayodhya. Bhuala tab mein hob tumhara sutta. Then now you know this is the cause for the birth of Dasharatha. Tahakari bhoga bisala tatagaye kachukala puni. Hoi hahu avadha bhuala. You will take a birth in Avadhapuri and you will become the king of Avadhapuri as Dasharatha. Dasharatha Nama is not mentioned here. Nama because somebody else will give there when he takes birth. Therefore bhuala tab. At that time, me hoba tumhara sutta. I will come as your son. And we all know that is none other than Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji. Ichhamaya tarabesha savare hoi hahu pragata niketa tumare amsana sahita deha dharitata करिहूँ चरित भगत सुखदाता जे सुनि सादर नर बड़ भागी भवतरिहि ममता मद त्यागी आदि शक्ति जेहि जग उपजाया सो अवतरिहि मोरिय माया पुरउब में अभिलाष तुम्हारा सत्य सत्य पुनः सत्य हमारा पुनि पुनि यस कहि कृपा निधाना अंतरधान भये भगवाना दंपति उरधरि भगत कृपाला तेहि आश्रम निवसे कछुकाला समय पाई तनु तजियन यासा जाई कीन्ह अमरावती भाषा यह इतिहास पुनीत अति उमहि कहीं वृषकेतु भरद्वाज सुनि अपर पुनि राम जन्म कर हेतु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। इच्छामय नरबेश सवारे। भगवान voluntary, इच्छामय voluntarily, narabesha samare, he in the form of nara, assuming the form of human being. Hoi ho pragata niketa tumare, I will manifest myself in your house. Tumare niketan, your house, I will come as an avatara in human form. Amsana sahita deha dharitata. Having embodied myself with all my qualities, attributes, whatever you may say, from the human standpoint. Karihahu charita bhagata sukhadata. I will play all the sports of like a human being, so that you will be very happy and people also will be greatly delighted seeing me and my sport. Je suni sadar nar bad bhagi. And sadar nar bad bhagi, everybody around will be very, very, very delighted. They will be always happy. So don't have to worry. Bhavatari hai mamata madatyagi. And all of them later will also exit this worldly existence and reach me, renouncing all their mada and mamata. I and mine and all that arrogance, darpa, all that will go. And they will also bhava tarihahi. Bhava means samsara. Tarihahi, they will also cross samsara. Adisakti jehi jaga upajaya. Now you see Sita ji here. Who is she? Adishakti jehi. She is none other than the very primordial Maya created by me. Created by me here what? Remember we said earlier, Bhagavan himself became two parts, Purusha and Prakriti. That Maya, Prakriti is nothing but Maya. Maya itself is Prakriti. Adi Shakti Jehi Jaga Upajaya. She is the one who created the entire universe. That is why this is also said Maya Jagat. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya we say. Mithya is normally understood differently, but it is nothing but Maya Jagat. Aghatita Ghatana Patiyasi Maya. So avatarihi moriya Maya. So in that place, in that created world, she also will manifest. She also will manifest and stay with me. Pura uba mein abhilash tumara. In this way, I will accomplish your desire. Your desire will be fulfilled. Satya Satyapana Satya Hamara. Truth alone, this definitely will happen. It will never fail. Definitely it will happen. Satya Satyapana Satya Hamara. 3 times he makes a mention. Why? It will happen. That is the confidence he gives. Puni Puni Asakahi Kripa Nidhana. Thus, he said those words again and again. Antardhan bhaye bhagavana. And then Bhagavan disappeared. Along with him, Sita also disappeared. Dampati uradhari bhagata kripala. Dampati, this couple, Manu and Shatarupa, they kept Bhagavan's Rupa in their heart. They have seen him pratyaksha, and that Rupa they kept him in his heart. Uradhari, Bhagata Kripala, of that compassionate Lord who had given them darshan. Tehi ashrama nivase kachukala. Kachukala, a few more years. Tehi ashrama nivase, they lived there only. Samaya pai tanu taji anayasa. When that particular time came, Samaya pai tanu taji, they dropped the body anayasa, without any suffering or pain. Anayasa tanutaji. Jaiki namaravati basa. Having dropped their body, physical body, they went back to Amaravati, Indraloka, the city of immortals. Yaha itihasa punitati umahi kahi Vrishaketu. This sacred story, Vrishaketu, Bhagavan Shivaji, umahi kahi, he told this story to Uma about Manu and Shatarupa. And now what was that? Shivaji told Uma, and this is being told by Yajnavalkya to Bharadwaja. Bharadwaja sunu apara puni. Bharadwaja, now there is one more, another cause for Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji's avatara. There is one more cause. Rama janama karahetu. That actually brought Ramchandraji to this world. One more cause which brought Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji to take avatara in this world. That I will tell you tomorrow. We will see that cause tomorrow. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.